Welcome to the Pulse of Uganda. I'm your host, and today we are turning our eyes north to a city that is quickly becoming the country's go-to hub for massive national events. I'm talking about Gulu City. Fresh off the regional news wire, Gulu is officially in the final stretch of preparations to host the 2026 Health Training Institute Sports Association Games, popularly known as the UHTISA Games. Mark your calendars. The action kicks off from August 2nd to August 8th, 2026. Now, if you think this is just a small inter-school meetup, think bigger. We are talking about a week-long national championship that is expected to bring between 2,500 and 3,000 athletes and officials straight into the heart of Gulu. They will be taking over Sir Samuel Baker Secondary School, which is serving as the main battleground for the games. According to Yabian Ofumbia, the publicity secretary of the National Organizing Committee, everything is locked, loaded, and ready to go. The lineup of sports is massive. We've got football, netball, handball, volleyball, basketball, badminton, athletes, and even woodball, following both male and female competitors from health training institutions across Uganda. Logistically, it's a huge operation. Male athletes will be put up at the La Robe campus of Gulu College of Health Sciences, while the female competitors will be staying at the main campus right near Gulu Regional Referral Hospital. But it hasn't been completely smooth sailing. Ofumbia, who also doubles as a tutor at Gulu College of Health Sciences, pointed out a unique challenge the organizers are facing: logistics and timing, because students were sent home for holidays. Mobilizing athletes from far-flung districts like Kabale and Kasese to get back to campus and travel up to Gulu has been a bit of headache. Still, confidence is sky high. Gulu City's senior communications officer, Madrid Uma, highlighted that pulling off an event of this scale proves exactly how much Gulu's hosting capacity has grown. Last year, Hoima School of Nursing hosted the games with around 2,300 people. Gulu is about to surpass that record. It's going to be an intense week of sport, a massive boost for local businesses, and a showcase of healthcare student talent. We'll keep you updated as the teams start arriving next week. Don't forget to hit subscribe and share this episode. Until next time, keep your finger on the pulse.